I know that real estate professionals do not have much time to create content to post on social media. So today I'm going to show you a tool that is going to make your life so much easier when it comes to post on social media. You don't have to create anything. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So here is what you're going to do. First step is you're going to log in Facebook and you're going to open your business page. Then you are going to the on the left side you have a bunch of options. You click on Meta Business Suite, then you click on All Tools, then you click on Planner. Then top right corner you have a create button. You click in there and here is where you can create your post. So since today the post is about templates that you can use, you don't have to create anything. I'm going to show you that option, but here is where you can also post your content if you have already something created. So, but that's not what the video is about today. So let's keep going. Click on Use Template. If you have not connected Vimeo yet, you will be prompted to connect Facebook with the website. And you can see already there's a bunch of templates here that you can choose from. And I'm going to type in here real estate. And look at this, everybody. Look at this. You can use these templates for your stories, or you can use for a regular post. So I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to show you that this also includes sound. Okay, that's good. I'm going to click on Customize. And from here, the only thing that you need to do is simply personalize. So the first slide is fine. The second is fine as well. Well, here you can just double click and update your website, www. I'm going to add social creates. I'm going to add my website just to give you an idea. I'm going to reduce here the font size because that came too big, and I'm going to drag to where I want. Here is fine. Oops. Here is fine. The next slide, fill out the questionnaire. Let's connect. Of course, you know, you can update anything that applies to you. Your company name, again, you can double click and update the text here on the left. Once you're done, you can create on the X. And let's say how this looks. Perfect. So far looks amazing. I'm sure the rest is totally fine, but of course you will check the whole thing to make sure that it looks good. Then you click on Use on Facebook. And here it is. So as you can see, it has been uploaded there under media. Under text, you are going to type whatever you want, whatever you need, whatever content or whatever information that you would like to share with your audience. Here, make sure that the page is the right page selected. So once you are done, you can publish, you can schedule, or save as a draft for later to personalize again or something. So you will be able to do anything. So once again, if you click on that looks amazing. And that's it. I hope you love it. How amazing was that? So I'm very excited about this because it can make your life and your social media posting so much easier. Before you finish this video, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I post about social media, marketing ideas, tools, everything that can be related to real estate. I will post in this channel. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.